Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is DawnDoesLife and today I am unboxing for One Day Savings. They contacted me and asked me if I would like to show you guys some stuff and I of course said yes. So links to all the products will be down in the description and I'll also on the screen here, somewhere in here, put a code for 5% off of your order. It's Life05 off. But it is case sensitive, so make sure that whatever's on the screen is what you use. I will also link it in the description below as well. Hope you guys had a fantastic long weekend. I am filming this before the weekend, but I don't think it'll be up until next week. So the long weekend will have already happened. It's good. It was for Canada Day. It was Canada Day for Canadians. July 4th for Americans. It was my birthday on July 2nd. It's a nice long weekend for everybody, it seems, or for a lot of people in North America. Okay, so I got this open. Just gonna put it off to the side once again, and I will share all of the costs in American or in USD as well. So first item, and I have unboxed for One Day Savings before, and they always send me some good stuff. They are a budget-friendly site, so you do have to pay attention to make sure that you're not, it's important to you that you're not picking something that is copyrighted, and there is some stuff on there. I have seen it, but this I saw, and I thought it was cute, and I thought I would share it with all of you. So it says, I'm the tissue box. And this one I just thought was so adorable. It's in kind of a leopard print, and then you just do the whole outside of the box. And then, does this lift off? How do I get this out here? Does this lift off? Oh, okay, so we lift up the bottom. Is that what we do? How in the heck do you get into this thing? Oh my goodness, well we are not gonna snap a nail on this. But you have to get into it because that's where all the drills are. Let's see if I can pop this open. I'm so afraid I'm gonna break this, you guys. Oh, there we go. Okay, good. So the drills are inside along with a regular drill kit. So your pink pen, green boat, and a plate of pink wax. So it's really cute. I picture this being on a little girl's nightstand. It's in this leopard print. It's not sporadic. There's a little bit involved to it. Like, I'm just trying to think of it. I mean, this would be very easy for me to do, but I think a young kid would really love something like this as a gift. And then I think it would only fit a smaller box of Kleenex, so there would be some room in there. But I think that's so cute, you guys. So let's just take a quick look at these. There's not a lot of them. And I think it's pretty self-explanatory also. I'm just trying to see here. There's no... Oh, yeah, there is. It's super, super faint. But there is like a letter P on here in like a dotted letter. And then this one, it's letter M. Okay, so you'd have to look really closely at it, but they are numbered. There's a stray in there. So we've got a kind of like a rosy pink. I like that. We've got the white. We've got black. A few strays in with the black and a stray in with the white. And then we've got some silver, and then kind of more of a... Well, it's actually very similar to this first pink, but a little more reddish tinge to it. And then again, the same color, but is that? But this one is a little bit bigger of a crystal. So real easy, quick project to do that would be lots of fun. And either you could do it and give it as a gift to a young girl, or give them the entire thing to do on their own if they like doing crafts. Price-wise, this one was $7.32 USD on this one. So, like, what a great gift. I think that's just a great gift. So this one, we'll just get it open. Oh, okay, this one. I saw this one and I thought it was really neat looking, but I also know somebody who was looking for something similar. So this I can show them, and if it's what they're looking for, I can tell them where to go. I've been keeping my eye out for something like this. So this is a blue whale, crystal rhinestone blue whale. It is a 30 by 40 with your regular kit, and then of course all of the drills that come with it. And it does looks like there's a black in there. It's got 10 colors. Okay, let's just look at them. Okay, you guys. So just going to go through these really quickly. There's 3 bags of these silver crystals. 1 bag of, it's a really pretty teal blue, and then there's a light teal blue as number 3. Number 4, oh, that's really different. That's like a smoky gray. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is really cool looking. Almost has a little bit of a, if I'm looking at it, well, it is. It's like a black smoky gray. But when I first saw it, I thought it kind of was, well, see, beside it, it kind of picks up the blue a little bit. So it kind of had a little bit of a blue or a blue-greeny tinge to it. I really like that. And then this one is a deeper blue. This is like an aquamarine blue. That's really pretty. Another kind of lighter, deeper blue. And then this is one of those silver, but it reflects different colors in it, and it's bigger. So a round crystal with a multicolor facet to it, sort of. And then a blue, and then this really pretty kind of purple, but it also picks up blues and golds and pinks, and it's really pretty. Yellows. Yeah, it's really pretty. So 10 colors. Nothing too complicated there. And then it is in that style that I kind of like. That's the rose. I've done paintings, but usually they're more like scenery with trees or with cats or with a moon or something like that. I just thought this one was really, really interesting looking. So, and I just love the whales on it. I think it'll be really pretty when it's done. Let's just measure this really quick. It says it's 30 by 40. And it is, oh, I'm on inches again. This one is a 25 by 34 1/4. Let's just see. Sometimes that when it's the painting is bubbled up, it makes it look shorter. So actually 34 1/2 on that one. Very pretty. Oh, let's just check sticky. Very, very sticky. The drill field looks pretty good. It's very, very busy. There's a couple sections like down in this corner here that look very busy, but there's not too many different colors in there, so it should be fairly easy to do. Like, whoops, sorry, I dropped it, you guys. To see it, it's pretty good. The rest of it looks really clear. There's a little bit of, you know, where they put those micro dots in beside or in behind for color, to help with the color, and that sometimes will make it look a little harder to see. But the numbers themselves look very, very clear. Wow, so pretty. Look at those blue whales. Really, really like it. I can't wait to show the picture to Jewel, because like I said, she was kind of looking for one for a while. And then one more thing, you guys. So we'll go into this one. Oh, and just to tell you, the blue whale was $6.82, so very decently priced. All right, so let's look at this canvas really quick. And this one. Oh, I do have one more item. This was a total of $1.11, and it's just simply to brush your drills on your tray So I'm always trying to scrape the drills out. Sometimes they get stuck up in the corner, and I'm always trying to scrape them out with my fingernails, and sometimes it doesn't work. So this just helps you to move them along and get into those corners as you're trying to slide them out. Anyways, that's what I was thinking of using it for. I don't know if there would be another use for it, but that was exactly what I was thinking when I saw it. And you can't beat the price. Like $1.11, that's pretty cool. I'm sure you could use like a makeup brush or something too, but I just thought this was cute. Could go in my stand and it would be available for me. So there's that one. I'll just put these away. And then this last painting. Okay, you guys. So canvas is the stiff canvas again, and then as well you also get your just regular beginner kit or pen, coat, and wax, and then there are the drills. This one I thought was really pretty. When I saw it on the site, it looks quite nice when it's finished, if what I was seeing was representative of what it's actually going to look like. This one is $7.35 USD, and it has 15 colors. It does, again, have the different sized, I'm not sure if it's an actual bubble looking painting, but it does have different sized drills on it. So let's just take a quick peek at those. 30 by 40. You know what, before we do that, let's just measure this really quick, because, you know, not everybody knows that it's not always the same. So this is a 24 wide by 33 wide. So 7 inches short on the length and 6 inches short on the width. So let's just go with these different shaped ones first. So you've got kind of got a teardrop in a really pretty orangey gold color. That is actually really, really pretty. I like that. And then you've got kind of like, I call these cat eyes, and this is just a plain silver, but again, it's one of those ones that sparkles with different colors. It's really pretty. And then you've got another one that's bigger, that is more of a pink tone to it, purpley pink. And then you have 3 bags of these tiny white drills, 2 bags of the medium white drills, and 1 bag of the large white drills. Oh, so maybe this is more of the bubble style. And then you've got the larger, like it's like an egg or a teardrop kind of shape to it. And again, it's in that sort of multicolor drill. And then, okay, so you have some pretty flowers. That's nice in a yellow. And then you have these pink roses. I think these are on my snowman painting in the girl snowman's bonnet. And then you have a yellow crystal, a plain black, a pink crystal, an orange crystal, a dark purple crystal, and a very light colored yellow crystal. So that is the drills. Now let's take a look at this canvas. I'm going to see if I can actually zoom you down. So as you can see, it actually looks very, very clear. But no, this one really does look clear. There is a really tiny kind of square symbol there that looks odd, but it's different enough from everything else that I think it'll be fine. But yeah, I'm just looking at this, and it looks really good, you guys. Let's see if I can get that closer. So very defined. You do see the circles. There doesn't seem to be that chaos coloring that some have behind it, so that is good. Yeah, it's really good. Let's check the stick. I'm going to move you back up. Stick on this one. Very, very good. That didn't even want to let go. Wow. Very good. Looks like poured glue. So Another fairly straightforward project, I think. It is a bit bigger. I do not consider 30 by 40 snack size, at least not for me, not in my mind frame. They are quicker for sure, but definitely not quite at that snack size. I think like 30 by 30 or smaller is something that I might consider a snack size. I know some of you are like just so awesome that you can whip them out like nothing, no tomorrow, but they do take me a little bit longer, definitely. Yeah, so that's really pretty. I'm liking that. Okay, you guys, so one day savings. This is awesome. Like the blue whales, I think it's going to look really pretty when it's done, but these butterflies, wow, I think they're going to pop right off the page. I'm really looking forward to seeing how those done. And you guys, come on. Can't you just so see this on a little girl's nightstand with her tissues or whatever else she wants to hide in here? I think that's awesome. Looking forward to trying the brush. I hope that it helps me because I do get drills stuck in corners on my trays all the time. And sometimes my nails don't want to get into the crevices quite the right way. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Show me some love. And then you could do the other YouTube-y thing. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. I would really appreciate it. And that's going to do it for me, guys. Hug your loved ones. Have a great day. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.